Hello, I am Tammy Frank, the Senior E-Commerce Specialist here at Rampart Supply. Shoot me an email or drop me a line if you'd like to schedule a demo or set up some training for you and your employees. I look forward to chatting. We have exciting news. Our website now has a convenient barcode scanning feature to help you quickly find products. While this feature may be able to be used on a computer browser with a camera, it is intended for the convenience of scanning on your mobile device. Simply open your preferred browser app and navigate to rampartsupply.com. To scan a barcode, just tap the barcode icon located in the search box. You'll be prompted to grant camera access. If you've previously denied camera access, don't worry, you can easily adjust this in your device's settings. Once the camera app is open, align the barcode of the product within the view. The system will automatically read the barcode once it's properly positioned, and the search results for the barcode will be displayed. Please note that search results will only appear for products and brands that we carry in our inventory. If there are multiple barcodes near each other, it will be helpful to cover any barcodes you don't want to scan. The barcode you do want to scan is the UPC code, not serial numbers or any other barcodes that look like a QR code. UPC barcodes typically have a single digit at the beginning and the end of the code. If you have multiple barcodes you want to scan to quickly add the items to your cart, you can also scan them in the QuickPad. Here is a sped up version showing multiple items being added to the QuickPad using the barcode scanning. Anywhere you see the barcode icon, you can scan a barcode, whether the regular search box or the QuickPad. We hope you'll really find this feature very useful. Happy scanning!